harus ada downtime operasional.
This project demonstrated several very powerful commercial drone technologies for oil and gas and heavy industries. The first is general visual inspection, which allows us to fly over the assets, collecting high-resolution thermal and long-range zoom camera data in order to conduct a safe and systematic inspection of all kinds of surface facility assets without ever flying over people or property. The second major application is confined space or close visual inspection, which allows us to fly inside the tanks and around high-risk structures at a very close proximity without potentially even requiring manned entry into the tanks.
Flyability Helios 2 baru saja dirilis tahun ini dan berfokus pada penggunaannya di industri minyak dan gas. Drone ini adalah drone pertama yang diklasifikasikan sebagai alat inspeksi formal oleh Lloyd's and Bureau Veritas.
This is able to save a huge amount of time and cost and is much safer than traditional methods which involve scaffolding and other dangerous inspection techniques. A third thing that is very unique is LiDAR scanning to make an accurate 3D reconstruction of the asset known as an as-built model. These kinds of as-built models are hugely valuable for anybody doing asset management in oil and gas or heavy industries.